Our universe came into being because of an unimaginable sun-like object outside the confines of our own existence going nova. This nova released a pair of astrophysical jets traveling away from each other, one of which is our universe as we have come to know it. In turn, this jet has a concentric circular ringed structure whose mechanical physical process gives rise to laws of physics as we know them. This, in a nutshell, is the story of our creation that I wish to paint for you. The current story that has come about through long scientific exploration, debate and consensus is the one described by the Lambda CDM model, colloquially known as the Standard Model of Cosmology. So what is it that makes me believe in my own story I tell as opposed to that told by the Lambda CDM model? A great many things. The idea of two astrophysical jets traveling away from one another, each the mirror image of the other, lends vision to answering some of the most outstanding questions in modern physics. Firstly, that other jet, the mirror image to our own universe, answers the question: what happened to all the matter and antimatter in the exact moments preceding the Big Bang event? More so, this answer is a predicted consequence of charge parity time symmetry, an established fundamental law of particle physics. Another question: what is the arrow of time, and why is time, unlike spatial dimensions, unidirectional? Again, we can see a simple answer. The directional arrow of time arises from the unidirectional direction of the jet itself. In fact, as I will attempt to argue, the fabric of space-time comes into existence as a direct result arising from the physical mechanics of the jet itself. As a roadmap, I'll begin by quickly reviewing the properties of fractal patterns with a particular focus on self-similarity and scale invariance. From there, I'll discuss a number of recent observations and discoveries that in effect undermine the currently accepted cosmological principle. This principle states that the spatial distribution of matter throughout the universe is both isotropic and homogeneous on a sufficiently large enough scale. In its place, I'll attempt to show that the cosmological principle is in fact fractal geometry, employing the ideas so far put forward in relation to the new scientific field of fractal cosmology. But also, I will put forward my ideas as I attempt to paint the picture of the actual shape, structure and evolution of a universal self-similar pattern that is present throughout the whole of nature. From there, I will explore the mysteries and questions posed by matter and antimatter that is the focus of research at places like the CERN. Going hand in hand with this, I'll discuss CPT symmetry and start exploring the mysterious arrow of time, all the while showing how this one simple idea of mine fits perfectly into place. Moving on from there, we'll look to the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang event. This jet, that is our universe, has a structure, and its imprinted echo is to be found in the various anomalies seen in the background radiation. Conversely, where appropriate, I'll present the alternative ideas and hypotheses in the context of the Lambda CDM model as a counterbalance to my own idea. Then you can decide which one provides a more plausible explanation of everything.